सोपण कोरे जाले पुरे करूंक म्हाका खोशी नितोळा सोदोर गायली सदांच आसतली फेरीस
सांगल्यार बोरे एक सुरे.
Good afternoon. Swindon 2013 Goan Summer Festival. Yes, the long-awaited Goan Summer Festival, which is about to take place now. And this is the county ground where the festival is taking place. We are standing on the county ground, where the people will be coming soon from along the gates and other things. Where the entry gate is here, and the people will come, and this whole place will be crowded. Today is a day that all the Swindon Goans were expecting and waiting for this day, to have a nice get together, to be together with all the Goans, to meet each other, and people will be coming from far and wide. आयचो दीस पळोवपाक जायते आमचे गोंयकार रावताले आनी आयज हांगा आनी मातशें रावन कांय वेळान लोक बोत्तले. आयज दीस जावन आसा गोवन समर फेस्टिवल वो गिमाच्या तेंपार जाता पूण कांय नो जाय सप्टेंबरान जालां आनी लोक येवपाचो आसा अजुनूय. लोक अजून भितर सरोंक ना, कांय थोडे थोडे येवंक लागल्यात कित्याक अजून वेळ आसा. 12 वाजता म्हूण सांगलेलें आसा आनी लोक त्या प्रमाणे हांगासर येतलो. आयज हांगा जायते कार्यक्रम जावपाचे आसा, आमचे कोंकणी भाशेन तशें इंग्लीश भाशेन, कित्याक इंग्लंड म्हणटच जायतेच भाशेचे लोक येता, न्हूच गोंयकार, दुसरे ब्रिटीश आनी हे ते म्हणून आसतना दुसरे गांवचे येतात. सो देर विल बी अ वेरायटी ऑफ प्रोग्राम with varieties of songs and performances by different people, and we'll be covering up all this for you as this is 2013's Goan summer here at the county grounds. 2013 वर्साचे हे आमी वो आतां पळय इव्हेंट जातलो तो आमी आयज कवरेज कोत्ता आनी तुमच्या मुखार हाडटले जें कितें घडटा तें हांगासर आनी तुमकां दाखयतले कशे तरेन लोक येता एकामेकाक मेळोन एकामेकाच्या सांगाताक आपलो वेळ सारता. गोंयकार तशे ब्रिटीश आनी हेर म्हणून कोण म्हणून आसतना आनी कांय वेळान हांगासर बोत्तले. तर पळोवया फुडें कशें कितें आतां जाता तें आनी आमचें फंक्शन वो इव्हेंट वो कार्यक्रम कसो फुडें वता तो आमी पळोवया.
ला 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 गोपांत म्हाका दो
चुप 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 ओगी राव आनी तोंड तुजें बोंकोर.
ला 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 मोगान आयला जो
चुप 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 गाडी चोरला मोजे तूं व्हडलो चोर. नोशी बातले कौशेल आता खबरला
जमले जमले आम गेले करून फुडें सरला केन्नाय जावचे रागा उतर वेचे नेदार देवान दिले निर्मिलोले काजार जावपाचे उरला.
ला 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 गोपांदोर म्हाका
चुप 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 ओगी राव हांगासर बाये नाका.
ला 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 तूं बिये नाका.
चुप 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 गाराया दादो शिकोता तुका. ला 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 ला
ला ला ला ला ला
ला ला ला ला ला
ला ला ला ला
Okay, here we are with the chairman of the
Swindon Association, Goan Swindon Association, Mr. Nelson. आणि आमी ताचे लागीं कांय प्रश्न विचारूंक हांगा आयला कित्याक हें हो इव्हेंट हो कार्यक्रम तांणी ऑर्गनायज केला म्हणटच ताचे लागीं आमी कांय प्रश्न विचारूंक फुडें आयला. So Nelson Babi, म्हजो येवकार तुका नीज गोंयकाराचे. You're welcome on नीज गोंयकार.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah. Before I proceed into asking you things, I would like to ask you first of all. First question is of mine is why you all delayed so long to do this event?
This show involves lots of formalities, as you know. The council, we have to satisfy council's requirements. For example, Mela is next weekend. Mela was supposed to have in July usually, so they've asked too many things this year. You have to have your act together. So it took us time, as well as others as well. For example, Mela, they've cancelled it and they rescheduled it because they could do the requirements. Just because we had to do our requirements, we had to delay it a bit. Now we have done all of our requirements and we are all set to go.
Okay. Now, usually it happens in July. That's the talk of the town at the moment. लोक उलोवंक लागले भायर वगत जालो, लेट जालो, पावसाचे तोणयेचे दीस करून. तरी पूण हांव कितें म्हणटा आतां हें तुमचें जालें सगळें सेट जालें न्हू आतां. ह्या वर्सा कितें अडचण्यो आडकोळ्यो तुमकां कितें आयल्यो कोणाच्यो गोंयकारां मदें कांय येवंक ना. सगळें बरे भाशेन जालें. आनी आतां तुमकां आतां कितें दिसता आतां पळय
आमकां फकत आमचे बरे गोंयकार येवन हें बरें सोबोवचें अशें आमकां दिसता. आमी तांकां रावता आतां केन्ना येतले काय पळोवपाक.
तेच म्हणटा तुमी टायम दिलोलो 12 अजून येवंक ना.
पूण गोंयकार नको फोगोडे मारता लादेन एक 8 लादेन कमी आसा ते 9.
आनी चड करून हांगासर लोक रावता हांगा म्हणटा सगळे येवपाक गोंयकारांची कम्युनिटी हांगा आहा म्हणटा येवपाक मातशें उपकार जातले.
What we Goans have done, we have come from Goan, we have brought all our customs and traditions here and we follow them.
Do you expect success today?
We expect a good crowd to come in. Hopefully the weather stays like this.
Yeah, it all depends on the weather.
Yeah.
So according to Nelson, it all depends on the weather and they are expecting a success, a huge success according to him. That's what I have a feeling. The way he expressed it, his expression showed. तरी पूण पावसाचेर आनी आमच्या वातावरणाचेर हा. जर तर वातावरण बरें आसत लोक खूब जातलो. And in the end, towards you tell me, who is sponsoring this year?
We have very few sponsors this year. That was another reason why this was delayed a bit.
Okay.
Last year we had entire show sponsored by GMB. Now due to recession or austerity, they've given us very little this year. So whatever we have in our reserves, we are going to spend, and we think we will recover this year.
There's also a talk of the town around here that you all have increased the fees. तुम्ही fee वाढवला म्हणून.
This is all of it. Last year the entire show was sponsored by GMB. If not all of it, 75% was sponsored by them. This year they've given us just 10% of our total cost. So it cost around 12,000 to have the show.
Okay.
So if they've given us 10%, which is 1,200, which is less than that.
Which is nothing.
So how do we recover the rest of it? Either we have the show, or we don't have the show.
You don't have the show.
So we are having a show. We're not sure if we are going to recover. If our good friends, if our good Goans come and
the Goan should patronize the show event. In fact, I agree with you.
That is another reason why we delayed, because we have reserves, but we don't want to spend it and come to zero.
Followed.
Our aim is to raise some funds.
Obviously.
And at least break even.
Yes, I agree with you.
Our total aim today is to break even.
Yeah.
This is our pot. Yeah. This is what we are going to spend, and this is what we are going to recover.
Now, since you all have increased the fees, and what are the facilities that you all will be giving to the people who come for the event? म्हणजे लोक येतात हांगा कितें आसतल्यो सवलत्यो कितें आसतल्यो?
सवलती कितें for everything we have to pay.
सगळें.
If they have
स्टॉलां होय, of course.
The main requirements we are going to give is ambulance, which we have paid.
Yeah.
It's free of charge. If you hurt yourself, you go there.
Yeah.
And entertainment.
Entertainment free.
Yeah.
Okay.
So.
देव बरें करूं तुका. Thank you very much. I hope your message reaches everybody clearly. कित्याक जायत्या जाणांनी आपले दुबाव दाखयलेले की हांगा स्विंडनान गोंयकार पयशे हांग बोबावता हें करूंक सोदता तें सगळे वांकडे उलयताले. सो कोण वांकडे उलयतात जाल्यार नेल्सन बाबान जें पळय कितें सांगलां ताचेर तुमचें लक्ष घालचें, तुमचें ध्यान दिवचें आनी ताचे वयर बारीक नियाळ करून पळोवचो.
And another thing, we have our website. We are going to put it on the website how much we spent, how much came in, if we incurred a loss.
So you are going to be very
we are open.
very open and very
and transparent. Yeah.
So ऐका आता नेल्सन मामान सांगला त्या प्रमाणे सगळो हिशोब ते आपली वेबसायटीचेर घालतले तुमच्यांनी वचून पळोव येता बेश्टेंच उलोवचें न्हय. Other than that, have you got anything to say to tell the people of Goa or the Goans?
We are very thankful to all our Goan brothers and sisters, and we expect you to come in and make this show a grand success.
So it's nice. Thank you very much for the small interview. But I'm very happy. Everybody should now get the message clear cut.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay? Thank you, Nel.
जीविताचे सोत उक्तें करून आयज हांव आयला तुमच्या मुखार. उतरां कोडू लागतली थोड्यांक जोणेकल्यान बरोवन दवरचें बुकार. एक तियात्रीस नांव आपल्याक जोडटा जिविताक दिवन बरो आकार. ह्या उदेशी जायत्या जाणांची सपनां जावन पावल्या साकार. एक मनीस नांव जोडटा तेन्ना लोक उगडास कोत्ता तो मनीस म्हूण अमक्याच गांवचो. जल्माच्या गांवची ओडविकाय सांगून तुमची गल्फाक आसल्या उगडास येता तुमचो. सांगो नाका आनी थोडे रोडले दुकानी आमच्या गांवान वालोर उणो आमचो. संवसार तूं जिखत आपल्या गांवान नांव नासत तर सांग तुका रेस्पेद खंयचो. एक मनीस नांव जोडटा तेन्ना लोक उगडास कोत्ता तो मनीस म्हूण अमक्याच गांवचो. जल्माच्या गांवची ओडविकाय सांगून तुमची गल्फाक आसल्या उगडास येता तुमचो. सांगो नाका आनी थोडे रोडले दुकानी आमच्या गांवान वालोर उणो आमचो. संवसार तूं जिखत आपल्या गांवान नांव नासत तर सांग तुका रेस्पेद खंयचो. फुडार आपलो करूंक जाय तेजा गांवांनी सोयरी को सोदूंक भोंवता. वाड्यान बरें गुणाचें चेडूं आसा तोरूय भायल्या चेडवांक सोदून हाडटा. पूण त्या चेडवाचे तो नोको उपरांत तकलेर हात मारून रोडटा. आपल्याच गांवच्या चेडवाक हात दिवन संवसार करूंक बी सोदता. आंडिराचा चेडो सोदता सगलो वाडो हाडून तुका सांगातीन. हो एग्जाम्पल करो तियात्रिस्तांकूय बरो नियाड करूंक मोतीन. तियात बरो तुजो चलता गांवांत एक फेस्त आसता भायले आटोले व्हडल्या वतीन. बरो कांतोरीस आसोन तियात्रांनी नांव गाजोन आपल्याच गांवान चान्स मेळोवंक कोठीन. आंडिराचा चेडो सोदता सगलो वाडो हाडून तुका सांगातीन. हो एग्जाम्पल करो तियात्रिस्तांकूय बरो नियाड करूंक मोतीन. तियाक बरो तुजो चलता गांवांत एक फेस्त आसता भायले आटोले व्हडल्या वतीन. बरो कांतोरीस आसोन तियात्रांनी नांव गाजोन आपल्याच गांवान मोठे तरुण बोंगले बांधले म्हूण नांव पिड्यार कोत्तात खोबरांनी कितले व्हडले गांवांत नांव तुका आसत गांवांत रेस्पेद ना भावांनी जेजू पासून आपल्या गांवांत येवकार दिवंक ना त्या लोकांनी जे आमच्या जिवितान घडटा जेन्ना तावयो आमकां पडटा बरें कांतार मुटलें म्हूण गांवचे ताळयो मारूंक दिसता भायले वालोर तुजो पुता बऱ्या कंपनींगाचें चिंतून मनान मजा दिसलें देखून कांतार अशें मुटलें काळजांतूय भावना गुंतून तुका दिसत तर खरें बरें तें बरें वांकाडूंक कांयच वायट ना हातून हें आमच्या जिवितान घडटा जेन्ना तावयो आमकां पडटा बरें कांतार मुटलें म्हूण गांवचे ताळयो मारूंक दिसता भायले वालोर तुजो पुता बऱ्या कंपनींगाचें चिंतून मनान मजा दिसलें देखून कांतार अशें
मोगाच्या भाव भयणीनो सगल्यांक तुमकां आमी कितें भाशेन दिनवासतात आयज आमकां हांगासर तुमी आपयल्यात द वायस प्रेसिडेंट Cyprian Fernandez, all the committee members of Swindon Association. आनी आमी सदांच अशें म्हणटात देव आमकां सदांच आनी साबार देण्यांनी भोगता आयज आमी सगळीं खुशाल आनी कितें भाशेन म्हाका खुशालकाय भोगता की आमी सगळीं गोंयकारां जीं स्विंडनान आसात लंडनान आसात ही आमची संस्कृताय आनी आमची भाशा जी कोंकणी आसा आमच्या तोंडार आमच्या काळजांनी सदांच ती गाजता आनी हें फेस्टिवल जावन आसा आमकां एक संदी an opportunity to present our culture, our traditions and our language and celebrate the great gift God has given us, the Goan people. So I would say today, whoever are here, you all have given your time, your energy to come over and celebrate this togetherness, this Goanness. Tumi हांगासर ह्या माचयेर येवन ह्या स्टेजीर येवन आमची संस्कृताय आमची हें देणें देवान आमकां दिलां तें आमी प्रदर्शीत करतलेत आनी तेच भाशेन जायतींच आमची हांगासर स्टॉलां दिश्टी पडटात हें जावन आसा आमचें पोटाचें आनी तेच भाशेन आमच्या काळजाची सोबिताय आनी गिरेस्तकाय तर सगल्यांक तुमकां हांव शाबासकी दितलो कितें भाशेन आमचे हे स्विंडनचे कमिटीक स्विंडनच्या लोकांक आनी सगळीं तुमी हांगासर आयल्यात A warm welcome to all the people who have come here, not just the Goans, but all of you who are here. You know, Martin Luther King Jr. had this saying, the right time is always a good time to do good deeds. जो बरें करूंक सदांच टायम बरो आसता वेळ बरो आसता आनी आयज हो वेळ जावन आसा आमकां हेंच एकठांय येवन देवाक आर्गां दिवन जें देवान आमकां दिलां आमचो मोग आमची गोंयची गिरेस्तकाय एकामेकाक दिवंक तर सगल्यांक तुमकां आमी दिनवासतात आनी सगल्यांक तुमकां आमी परबी दितात शाबासकी दितात आयज तुमी हांगासर आयले आनी सगळीं हांगासर जीं आसात तुमकां हांव बरी सांज आवडयता आनी देवाचें बेसांव देवान तुमचेर आशिर्वाद घालून आपल्या मोगान तुमकां सांबाळून तुमचेर आपले मुखामोल फाकोवन संतोष आनी शांती तुमकां दिवन देव बरें करूं आनी गॉड ब्लेस यू
Thank you, Father.
काळजांतली भावना गुंतून तुका दिसत तर खरें बरें तें बरें वांकाडून कांयच वायट ना हातून गांवांत बरें कातोरीस आसत नवे भुरगे दिसत वयर काळात दोरी नाकात चेपून
मास्तारी खबर सांगता गोरी हिंदू भावा हांव जातीन तुमी अजाप जातेली आनी चितूंक पोट्टेली गोमट्यान पोन मोज्या बेटीन खंयचो तो दोरोम जावं पयलो म्हणटा सायबा पावसाता कोर्साच काडून हातीन कपलार कोरी सो काडटा सगळे जाणा हांव इश्टा बरी चिंतना येवन मोतीन तुमी चितूंक पडटले थोडे अशें म्हणटले कितें सांगता वो तारी म्हाका मेवता तेन्ना वेळ काबार करून तियार खेळ करीत वयताय मोरी
जाणटेलो मनीस जोडो आणूक मुणी एक दीस वेता दोंगरार जोडो कातोच बरो बांतगूच घेता आपल्या माथ्यार बरो माथ्यार घेतूच सावरो ना जाता माथ्यार
सांगता हांव मोठें कोसेस संवसारा घेर नदर मारल्या खंयच्या दिसता ओडले सावतांचे चेडू खेळचे रोगडे मोगान पडले खोबऱ्याचें तेल काडून नुस्त्याचें तेलान भाजल्यार जेवण सोडचो ना रोसाचें कालबीन गोस्तान तूं जेव कांयच नासतना बेस्तां येतो जावची सुरती नासतना सान्नां जावची ना घालून माळाचें गोड आदी कोरी सान्नां उगडास वेचो ना विनाक ते सुरयेची मासान घाली ना तूं रुचू येवची ना नाल्लाचें तेल आंगात भुरग्यांच्या खाटात ल्हान आसतना आदी आमी सोबीत बांदताली नोयाची गोरां कातरून ते माळ वाशे कोरी मेशिना नासतना चुटांनी शिवोन आमी वायांनी बांदताली करून ती मोल्लां विराचे सान्नीन लीन दवरतात आमची गोरांदारां भायलो लोक गोंया येवन पिवून दादूशी जाता फेणी माळाची जोर पासून वयता तकलेत घालीत जाल्यार फेणी माळाची रांदपाक पिवपाक फेस्तान गरज आसा आमकां फेणी माळाची सगल्यांक आमकां वखदांक गरज पडटा फेणी माळाची ह्या कांतारांतल्यान हांव तोखणाय कोत्ता गोंयच्या माळाची Thank you.
म्हाका मेवता तेन्ना वेळ काबार करून तियार खेळ करीत वयताय मोरी खंयचो तो दोरोम जावं सगळ्या धर्माक मानता हांव कोरी ना मोस्कोरी तुमकां येवंक जाय तर कळोन म्हणटा आमच्या बापा एक नोमान मोरी आमच्या बापा स्वर्गीच्या तुझें नांव पवित्र जावं तुझें राज आमकां येवं तुजी खुशी स्वर्गार जाता तशी संवसारांत जावं आनी आमचो दिसपट्टो गिरायज आमकां दी आनी आमी आमच्या चुकलेल्यांक बक्षिता तशी आमची पातकां बोगोस आनी आमकां ताळणेन पडूंक दिवं नाका पूण वायटांतले आमकां निवार नमान मरे कृपेन बोलेले सोरेस्पोट जे थंय आसा वस्तोऱ्या मरे तूं सदोव आनी सरोज जपू जेजू भाग्यवंत मरे देवाची माये आमा पाप्या खातीर विनंती कर आतां आनी आमच्या मरणाच्या वेळार
today we are talking to a very important person here who has come to see the Goa Day function going on and how it is going on. In fact, more or less like a monitor, but he's a very friendly man. He's a councillor of Swindon. His name is Mr. Bob Wright. Welcome, Mr. Bob Wright, to Nis Goinkar.
Thank you for having me.
On behalf of my news site known as Nis Goinkar, which is the true Goans in English,
Right.
or the genuine Goans.
Yes.
I welcome you, and I would like to ask you a few questions regarding this incident. Since
Okay.
you've been monitoring all these things for a long time.
Now, this is the longest handshake I've had for a long time.
It's nice to meet you. Indeed, it's a pleasure.
It is.
Mr. Bob, could you tell us what do you think about this Goa Day?
Well, I've been involved in the past 2 or 3 years. In fact, this is the 1 year where I haven't done anything. So because there's been difficulties on putting the event on. But this year you've done it all yourself, and that's to be congratulated.
But still, you made your presence felt.
Well, that's because
that's the nicest part of it.
Well, because I enjoy the company of the Goans.
Yeah,
so why not?
Yeah. Were there any issues and all in organizing this function with the organizers or anybody from your side?
None whatsoever, except I got the wrong phone number when I was ringing back.
Okay. So overall, what do you think of all the Goans in Swindon? And they are gathered here. What do you think of the Goan community?
Right, so the first thing is to say it's probably the friendliest community I've ever worked with. So as a community, they're outgoing, friendly, and really want to listen and to be involved with things. Okay. But as people that are involved in events, they like their music, they like to party, they enjoy each other's company. So that's my experience of the Goans.
Did you find as a councillor any problems with the Goan community?
Oh yes.
In Swindon?
Yes, there's been a few problems.
Yeah.
First of all, passports, and my wife is Councillor Julie Wright, who's down there, used to work for Anne Snellgrove.
Okay.
And there was problems of getting back to Goa because the passports were held by the Home Office, so there were problems that way. The second thing is there have been problems in putting the event on, but that was to do with noise, and that's been fixed now. So those are really the... one or two people have had a bit too much to drink, left their bottles where they shouldn't leave them. So rubbish, clearing up behind is where there's been problems.
Problems with this?
Yes.
But they were all settled, I suppose?
Well, they're still ongoing in the streets of Broad Green. There's still some problems there.
Okay.
I think it's to do with landlords who don't provide the right way of disposing of things, or people don't have the money to go to the tip to dispose of. And I think it's to do with that. I don't think it's anything to do with generations. I don't think it's anything to do with Goans. I think it's the way that the landlords lease out the properties, turn them over, and there's not enough thought goes into it.
Have you been to Goa, sir?
No, I haven't. I have had lots of invites.
Yeah, but wouldn't you like to go and come?
I would, but at this moment, I live my life like a pensioner, so I'm able to do counselling full time. And when you're a pensioner, you have less money than you normally have.
Today you've been going around, you've seen everything. How did you find the situation today here?
Well, I think there's two things that are always a feature of a Goan festival: food, drink. And then after that, entertainment.
So you are happy with all that?
I'm very happy with that, yes.
And I think you should visit Goa also. There are many things go on much better. There are a lot of British people who come there.
I understand.
Especially from Swindon.
I know that.
I have met them there. I was surprised myself to see them there. And they like it. And everybody is happy with the Goan community way back down here as well as here.
I know that.
And I suppose
true.
you too are happy with all the Goans.
Yes, there's no problem at all. I mean, people are people. But people live in a way to survive within their communities. Once the survival's in place and you get habits and behaviours, then you try to live your life for fun. And when you live your life for fun, that means that you've got your roots established, everything is going quite well, and you can see there's fun here today, so things must be going all right for the Goans.
How about the food, sir? Do you like the Goan food?
I don't like the very hot stuff, but I love samosas.
You mean you don't like the pungent things?
No, well, I don't know what they are, but anything with rich peppers in, I don't like that, but samosas I love.
Yeah, there are samosas and so many like samosas and something known as bel puri and something known as masala dosas. And you know, we have a Goan speciality. We do it during the festivals. They are known as sanna or the rice cake.
I've had those. They're very nice.
How did you like them?
They're very nice. Yeah.
That's the thing we have for our... I'll just explain to you, like, you know, when we have a patron saint feast, that's the time we do it on annual feast of the particular place. We make the sannas, we eat them nicely, and in Goa they make it in a different way with coconut copra mixed with jaggery and other things, and they have different type of things, tastier than what you get here. Here at least you don't get all the ingredients to do them.
Right.
Especially the toddy, coconut toddy. That is the best thing to
So we get coconut.
raise them.
So why haven't you got our coconuts are different?
No, not the coconut, sir. Coconut toddy.
Ah.
They get it from the what do you say, the flowers of the
I see.
coconuts.
Right,
In the beginning, before the whole thing opens up.
I didn't understand that. Now I do.
That gives you very taste. If you ever reach Goa for any festival, try to eat one of them,
Right.
and you.
I normally have sweet rice or something like that, and it's very nice. But I've had the rice cakes. I've also been to some Goan celebrations, and again with my wife, we've been kindly invited along, and they've been very good. So we always eat there and come away with too much in our belly.
Finally, sir, what's your message for the Goan people here?
Well, I want you to, as you put your roots down, to enjoy our society, to join in with us like you have,
Yes.
and that the benefits you give your children's children a future that will make their parents proud that they moved here in the first place.
I agree with you, sir. Totally.
Right,
thank you very much, sir, on behalf of my team of Nis Goenka. I thank you very much for giving us a few words.
That's
It
my
was indeed a pleasure to be with you,
Right.
have you with us.
Thank you very much
sir.
indeed.
आयज आमी आतां कांय लोकां मदें लोकांक विचारलेले तेच परी आतां एक स्टाफ मेंबर आहा तांचो जो सेक्युरिटी पळयता हांगासर रावपाक सेक्युरिटी आहा तांचो इन्चार्ज तो तर हो एंड्रू फेर्नांडीस गांवान वास्कोचो. बाबा एंड्रू तुवें न्ही सेक्युरिटीचे चार्ज तुज्या ताब्यान घेतला. सेक्युरिटी कशी गेली तुमची?
सेक्युरिटी एकदम बरी गेली कित्याक कोणूच वायट अशे भुरगे येवंक नात. सगळे बरे भुरगे येयल्यात आनी लास्ट इयर मातशें झगडी जाली पूण सेक्युरिटी एकदम बरी आसा. आनी सेक्युरिटी तुमी पळयलां आसतलें सेक्युरिटी हिंगा देराचे सगळे चॅक करतात आनी सगळे बरे भाशेन गेला आनी लोकूय बरो जाला. पूण हे फावटी आमचें मातशें लेट जाला पूण कांय प्रॉब्लेम ना. पूण सगळें बरें गेलां आनी सेक्युरिटी एकदम बरी जाल्या.
म्हाका दिसता तुवें बारीक तोकस घेतलो आसतलो हे सगळे सेक्युरिटीच्या सुवातेर घालपाक.
हय,
तर तुका सहकार मेवलो काय ना तुज्या कमिटी मेंबरांचो जावं लोकांचो?
हे पेटी आमी गेल्या वर्साक आमी आमचें ओन बार घाल्लेलें. सो ह्या वर्साक सगळे आमी म्हणजे सगळे लोकांक दिला आनी आमी आमकां बरो टायम मेवलो. सो सगळे एकमेकाक थंय वावुपाक आनी तेका लागून सगळें अदीक आनी बरें जालें. आनी म्हाकाय बरें जालें की सेक्युरिटीक सगळ्यांक सेक्युरिटीक बरें सांगपाक आनी म्हाकाय स्पेस मेवली दुसऱ्या आनी कामाची आनी हें ना म्हाका. सो सगळें म्हाका काम दुसऱ्यांक सगळ्यांक एक एक जबाबदारी दिलेली आनी सगळ्यांनी बरी पाडली आनी आमी सगळे 8 एक्टीव मेंबर आहाय आनी सगळ्यांनी मेळोन सगळें बरें जालें. आनी तुवें चोयलां आसतलें सगळें बरे भाशेन आहा आनी
तुका फकत जबाबदारी दिलेली
सेक्युरिटीची
तुवें बरे भाशेन
पाडले आनी कांय प्रॉब्लेम जावना आनी बरें आहा.
आनी इतले सेक्युरिटी आयज कांयच प्रॉब्लेम ना. कोणूच येवना म्हाका तिकडे करपाक कोणूच ना. आनी लोकांची वागणूक कशी आहा आतां भितर तुका हांव जनरल क्वेश्चन विचारता. लोक जो आयला कशें कितें लोक कोणें भितर कित्याक तिकेट वाडयल्या कित्याक म्हूण कोणें कितें वांकडे तिकडे उलयला काय
तसलें कांय म्हणोंक ना. तें भायल्यान तुका सदांच आयकोंक येता तिकेट वाडली पूण लोक मोडून जाय ते कडेन वेता ते कितले म्हारग आसा दुसरे कडेन वेता. पूण हिंगा आतां येवन सगळे येयल्यात चोय कितले जाणांनी म्हणले तेच हिंगा आसात. पूण सगळें बरें जालां आनी एक सांगूंक सोदता गेल्या वर्साक हिंगा सेक्युरिटीक हांव म्हणटा
सांग तूं न्हू.
सो गेल्या वर्साक सेक्युरिटीक मातशें प्रॉब्लेम जाले की
गेल्या वर्सा तुवें हँडल केलेली सेक्युरिटी ह्या वर्सा प्रॉब्लेम ना. गेल्या वर्सा जालेलें तें म्हणटा बरें म्हणजे ओवरऑल हे फावटी हो गोंयचो दीस हो गोवन समर फेस्टिवल जे आसा हो कार्यक्रम एकदम बरो जालो. कांयच हे नासतना. सो तुमी दादोशी सगळे तुमचो फुडें निरोप कितें आहा गोंयकारांक ह्या फुडें
आमी आतां सगळे मेळोन आमी चिंतात अदीक आनी बरें करूंक आनी घोडेक येत्या वर्साक आनी कितें बरें आमी करूंक चिंतले. आनी हाज्या उपरांत आमी आतां जनरल बॉडी मिटींग घेतले आनी मागीर सगळे आमचे इंटरनेटाचेर आसतले कितें आमी देस्पेज केला आनी कितें आमी मोडलां कितें येयलां सगळें आमी आमच्या वेबसायटीचेर आसतले आनी सगळ्यांनी आमच्या लोकांनी स्विंडनच्या भावा भयणांनी सगळे वेबसायटीचेर चोवूंक जाता आनी सगळे आमच्या वेबसायटीचेर आसतले आमी कांय
ओके देव बरें करूं तुका न्यूज गोंयकाराच्या We are coming to a close of the Goa day today. It's all over. Everything is finished. People are going home. Everybody is happy and satisfied. There were no untoward incidents and the day went very smoothly. The event was perfectly fine and all are happy. Every Goan is happy and happily people are going home. आयचो गोंयचो दीस हो गोवा डे कबार जालो आनी लोक घरा येतात आयज खुशालकायेन बरोवन कसलीच झगडी ना कसलीच कोफू जावन आसतना आयज एकदम बरें जालें आनी आमी सोजमता हेच भाशेन फुडल्या वर्सा 2014 जातलो म्हणून आनी सोजमता हे लोक जे आयज आयले ताच्या परस दुपट आनी 2 वाटांनी सुबेज येवन हो गोवा डे सोबयतले म्हूण स्विंडनान सो लेट्स वेट फॉर द नेक्स्ट इयर नाव 2014 for the Goan Summer Festival to take place. Till then, everybody, we wish you all the best. On behalf of Ms. Goinkar, myself and my team, all the best to all the Goans. Thank you very much.